Hi, so in today's video I am going to explain you what is the difference between EM and REM. So EM and REM are two units of size which you are using to give a font size to any text, or sometimes you want to give the width and height to an image. Then also you are using these units. So what is the importance of EM and REM? So when you are making a website which will be responsive on various screens, then you want to set your size of then you want to set the font size of any text or the width and height of any image or any division with these units EM and REM. So in this video I will cover the basic differences between EM and REM, and I will explain you the full concept of EM and REM. So I have taken two examples. In these and with the help of these two examples I will explain you what is the basic difference between EM and REM. So in the first example I have taken the four headings. So this is my first heading. This is heading default. This is the second heading with class 1. This is third heading which is with class 2, and this is fourth heading with class 3. So as you can see on the right hand side of my screen, there are four headings as you can see, and all these headings are of same size. So I will explain you one by one. So this is the first heading, heading 1, or it is displayed like this. So first thing you must be knowing that the default size of heading in HTML is 2em. If you go to Google and search, and if you go to Google and search CSS default values, and if you open any website like W Schools, and if you scroll down a little bit, then you find here this is heading 1. So the default font size of this heading 1 is 2em. Okay, so that's why this is like this. And our second heading with class 1, this is heading 1 with class 1, I have set the font size of this to also 2em. That's why this one and this one looking same. And coming to our third heading, which is with class 2, so this is heading 2 with class 2. So I have set the font size of this to rem. So as of now the 2em means this heading, and 2rem means this heading looking exactly same. So I will tell you after some time why is like that. And if you look at the fourth heading with class 3, which is here, I have set the font size of this to 32 pixel, and as you can see all these four headings are of same size, exactly same size. So why is this happening, I will tell you now. So first thing, EM is basically the size of font according to the parent. Means if you look at the heading, if you look at the class 1 heading, so the parent of class 1 heading is body. Okay, and as of now I didn't set the font size of body, so it will go to the HTML document. So the font size of the heading 1 means this heading is 2em. So it will look, so em will always look at the parent font size. So as of now its parent is body, but I have the body has no font size, so it will look at the top most parent HTML. So uh, first thing, so here one thing you must know, that the default HTML document font size is 16 pixel. If you go on Google Chrome and search default HTML font size, okay, so here, so this is 16 pixel. So the default HTML font size is 16 pixel, means any text which is displayed using HTML is by default 16 pixel in size. Okay, so coming back, okay, so that's why this heading with class 1 means this heading, I have set this to font size of 2em, and 2em means twice the font size of parent. So its parent is body, but the body has no font size, so it will go up to top, means to the HTML document, and it will take the font size of 16 pixel, and it will 2em means twice the 16 pixel, which is 32 pixel. So its font size is basically 32 pixel. And coming to the second heading, coming to the third heading with class 2, this is class 2, this heading, its size is 2 rem, its font size is 2 rem. So rem is basically with respect to the HTML document, means no matter what is the font size of parent is, it will always look at the HTML document. Means whatever the font size of HTML document is, it will always change according to that. So this is the basic difference between REM and EM. EM will always change according to its parent, and REM will always change according to its HTML document. Okay, so coming forward, so this is 2REM. So as of now, the parent means the HTML document, the font size of HTML document is 16 pixel. So it will twice the 16 pixel means 32 pixel. That's why this heading and this heading looking exactly same. And the last heading, which is 32 pixel, as you can see. So from here you can see that this is 32 pixel. This is also 2REM means twice the font size of HTML document, which is 32 pixel. And this one, this is 2EM means twice the parent. And since its parent, which is the parent of this one, is body, and body has no font size, so this will also look at the HTML document, and this will also the twice the font size of HTML document, which is twice the 16 pixel. So it will also displayed as 32 pixel. Now coming forward, now if I change here something, like if I set, so this is the body, so if I set the body font size to 1em, now if I set the body font size to 1em, then nothing will change. Why? The body font size is 1em, and as I have explained, the em is always with respect to parent. So the parent of body is HTML. So if you can't imagine that, I will show you the hierarchy. So here, if you see that this is HTML, means the top element of our HTML document. So its child are head and body, and inside body I have headings and paragraphs. Okay, so this is the hierarchy you need to keep in mind. So if I set em on this, then it will first look at the body, and if body has no font size, then it will look at HTML. So that's the default font size of HTML document is 16 pixel. Okay, and if I set rem on this, then it will always look at this one. Okay, not this one. So this is the difference between em and rem. Now coming to our example. So when I set the body size to 1em, means one time the font size of its parent. So the parent of body is the HTML document itself, and the HTML document's default font size is 16 pixel. So this will also 16 pixel, and accordingly this heading means this one, sorry, this one is 2em, means twice the size of parents. And since this heading, the parent of this heading is body, and body font size is 1em, so this will also is 2em, so this will also become twice the size of this. Okay, now if I change the font size of the body to, let's say, 20 pixel, then you can look at here. Here if you see, these two headings are same, and these two headings are same. Means what I mean to what I want to say is the font size of this heading, and this heading is same, and this heading and this heading is same. So I will explain you why it is like that. So if you look at the default heading, so since I don't give I didn't give the any font size to this heading, which is this. So as I have shown you in the Chrome, in the Google Chrome, like that, the headings, the default font size of heading is 2em, means twice the font size of its parent. And if you look at here, the body, the parent of h1 is body, and body font size is 20 pixel. So it will so it is 2 em means twice the 20 pixel means 40 pixel. So its font size is 40 pixel. Okay, and also the heading with class 1 having font size of 2 em. So this will also go to parent means it will also go to body font size, and since body font size is 20 pixel, so it will also display as 40 pixel in size. And if you come to third heading, which is this is heading to this one. So if you look at here, this is its font size is 2 rem. 2 rem means it will always look at the HTML document, and as you know, the default HTML document font size is 16 pixel. So it will the size twice the 16 pixel means it is 32 pixel. So this is all. So this is remain. So this will remain 32 pixel, and this is 32 pixel. So you can compare. This is 32 pixel. This is 2 rem means twice the 16 pixel. This is 32 pixel. So that's why these two are looking exactly same. And now if you want to confirm that whether this one is really 40 pixel or not, then if I set this one also to 40 pixel, then as you can see, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, all these three except this are same font size. This is 40 pixel, this is 40 pixel. 2 em is twice the parent, which is this 40 pixel. Okay, and if I come over here, and if I include HTML also here, then all these four become of same size. Means now the HTML document, the font size of HTML document is not 16 pixel, it is become 20 pixel. So it is 20 pixel, and 2 rem. And if you look at the heading with class 2, this is heading with class 2, it will always look at the HTML document. And now the HTML document's font size is 20 pixel, so it will twice the 20 pixel means 40 pixel. So this is also 40 pixel, this is 40 pixel, this is 40 pixel, and all these four are 40 pixel. So this is the concept of rem and em. Now I will take another example, and with that example I will explain you what is the difference between em and rem. Now if you got the concept of em and rem with the first example which I have given, so then you don't need to look at this example. But if you are still confused about the difference between em and rem, then you can look at this example. So in this example, what I have done is I have taken three divisions. The first division is with class parent 1, second division with class parent 2, and third division with class parent 3. And I have set some properties of these divisions, like the width and height of first division is 2 em to em, and color is blue, as you can see here on the right hand side of the screen. And coming to second division, its width and height is 2 rem, and color is brown, as you can see this one. Okay, and coming to third division, its width and height is 32 pixel, and color is crimson, which is this one. So if I change it to like something green. Okay, now you can see. So the first one is blue, second one is brown. Let me change it to red. Okay, second one is red, and third one is green. Now as you can see here, all these three are of same size. uh, I think you have guessed it. This is because the first division with class parent having width and height of 2 em to em. So em will always look at the parent, and since division with class parent 1 is the parent of this one is body, and since body have no font size, as you can see here, I didn't set the font size of body, so it will look at the HTML document, and the default font size of HTML document as of now is 16 pixel, because we didn't set the font size of HTML document also. So 2 em means twice of 16 pixel means 32 pixel, 32 pixel. So its width and height is 32 pixel, 32 pixel. It is 2 rem, and rem will always look at HTML document, so it will also 32 pixel by 32 pixel, and this is also 32 pixel by 32 pixel. So that's why all these three looking exactly the same. Okay, now if I go over here, and set the body font size uh, to something. Let's say if I set the body font size to 10, not 10, 20 pixel. So as you can see, only the first division got changed. This is because the first division with class parent 1, the parent of this division is body, and body font size is 20 pixel. And since the parent of division with class parent 1 having width and height 2 em, so it will look at the parent. Its parent is body, so 2 em is twice 20 pixel. So its width is now 40 pixel, and height is also 40 pixel. Okay, but since the second division is 2 rem, so it will look at the HTML document. So it will still remain that twice the 16 pixel, so it will 32 pixel by 32 pixel, and this is 32 pixel 32 pixel. So that's why these two are same. And if I set this also to 40 pixel by 40 pixel, then you can see this one, the first one and third one become same, because 2 em means twice 20 pixel, 40 pixel, 40 pixel, and this is 40 pixel 40 pixel. So that's why the first one and third one is same. This one is, the middle one is different. And if I come over here, and if I increase the and if I come over here and include HTML also here, then second one also become same. I must write it in lowercase HTML. Okay, now all these three are same, because the first one is 2em, so 2em means twice the parent, its parent, twice its parent. So its parent is body font size is 20 pixel, so twice 20 pixel is a 40 pixel. It is 2 rem will look at the HTML document, and since HTML documents, now the HTML documents font size is not 16 pixel, because I have override it here. Okay, so it is now 20 pixel, so it is twice the 20 pixel means 40 pixel. So it is also 40 pixel by 40 pixel, 40 pixel by 40 pixel, and the green one is also 40 pixel by 40 pixel, as you can see here. So that's why all these three are looking exactly the same. So with this example, I hope you are pretty clear about the difference between em and rem. So this is the basic difference between em and rem, and now you can use freely em and rem in any example. And what I am suggesting you, that you must use rem most frequently rather than em, because rem will always change according to the HTML document. So you will not be confused in between coding while you are coding, while you are designing the web page. So you won't be confused and you won't be surprised if you are using rem. And you can also use em, but you have to be careful because em will look at the parent. And one more thing I want to tell you, if a container like this division, if this division has some more parent like 2 or 3 parents, then the em will always look at the first parent, means first parent from bottom. Means if this division, the division with class parent 1, if I put this division inside two more divisions, let's say div inside div. Okay, now div, and inside this I put my third division. Okay, so as you can see here, if this is the case, now if I set the font size of this one and also this one, then if I set the width and height of this one to em, then this will look at this one, not this one. So em will look at the closest parent, and rem will always look at the HTML document, this one. Okay, so I hope that you are pretty clear about this example. So thank you, bye bye.